And we're back to learning Photoshop. In here, day 279. Let me show you how you can use AI to expand your images. For example, here a famous painting that I'm sure everybody knows. You can, for example, drag this down here and we have an empty canvas below. And now we use the rectangular marquee tool. Make sure that you're on the first or the second mode right here at the top. This creates a new or adds selection. And left click drag over the empty area. Right click outside of your canvas, show the context to text bar, and then simply generate with an empty prompt. And then Photoshop kind of knows what you want, and it simply fills the empty area here according to what's outside of your selection. As always, you get 3 solutions, and sometimes, for example, the third one doesn't really work. That happens. In rare cases, all 3 generations aren't usable, then you just have to reprompt it. So just run it again with an empty prompt. But in most cases, you're gonna get at least 1 result out of these 3 that you can use. But this is obviously not a typical case that you drag your image down here. Typical case is that you have a different format. Let's check. The original image here has around 1400 to 2100. And let's just say you wanna have a different format. So more like a horizontal instead of a vertical. In that case, just use the cropping tool and then drag it to the size that you need. You can also type in specific sizes up here. I've explained the cropping tool in my playlist. If this is new to you, just check out the playlist. You can confirm by simply selecting a different tool, then use the rectangular marquee, drag it over the area that's empty, right click, show the context to text bar, and then generate yet again with an empty prompt. And here in this case, the first one isn't really usable, but second and third, I try to expand what's already there. And you can see this would work in changing the format now. Let me hide it again. So how about doing it with a specific size? Well, the easiest way is to go to Image, Canvas Size, and then type in your size. Let's say 1920 x 1080 for a YouTube video. I confirm. You have to click on Proceed here with the warning message, then press Ctrl T on your original. Reposition it, resize it a little bit. I don't want to cut off the hands or the head. And I hold Shift when I resize it. I'm fine with this, so I confirm. Yet again, use the rectangular marquee tool, drag over the empty area, right click, show context to text bar, generate it. And now we've got a usable result for this YouTube video that has the specific size that we need. And this is how you can use the AI to expand images in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.